Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 17th of September, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.83. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has enjoyed a gain of 1.72%. This equates to an average return of 0.43% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. If there is a breakout at the upper trend line, specifically at $22.46, it will initially indicate a slower rate of decline and could potentially signal a shift in the overall trend. Currently, the 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 43.61% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return varying between negative 58.35% and negative 42.01%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a decrease of about 37.02% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from negative 47.93% to positive 2.29%. This projection corresponds to a price range between $11.37 and $22.34 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel features the headline: significant movements in Intel's stock price on Friday, fluctuating by 13.61% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, the Intel stock price increased by 3.31%, rising from $21.14 to $21.84. During this trading session, the stock oscillated by 13.61%, with a day low of $20.35 and a day high of $23.12. The price has seen an increase in 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 15.62% over the past 2 weeks. There was an uptick in volume on the last trading day, accompanied by the price rise, which indicates a positive technical signal. In total, 154 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a cumulative total of 252 million shares bought and sold for approximately $5.5 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price stands 57.41%, or $29.44, below the 52-week high, and 68.48%, or $47.45, below the all-time high recorded on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel has made headlines recently as Qualcomm reportedly approached the company about a potential takeover. This news comes at a critical time for Intel, which has been struggling to regain its standing in a competitive chip market. Following the reports, Intel's stock experienced a notable increase, reflecting investor optimism about a possible consolidation in the semiconductor industry. While some analysts view a Qualcomm acquisition as a logical move in the evolving landscape driven by artificial intelligence, Others caution that such a deal could face substantial political and antitrust challenges. The overlap between the two companies is limited, which raises questions about the strategic benefits of the proposed merger. In the short term, the buzz surrounding the potential acquisition could lead to increased volatility in Intel's stock price as investors react to ongoing negotiations and market sentiment. Should the deal progress, it may pave the way for a stronger positioning of both companies in the artificial intelligence space, potentially enhancing long-term growth prospects. However, skepticism remains, as some fund managers express concern about possible downsides if a merger is finalized. The unfolding circumstances suggest that while the situation has sparked immediate interest and improved stock performance for Intel, the long-term implications will largely depend on successful negotiations and market reactions to any regulatory hurdles. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Intel Corporation a grade of underperform with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Exane BNP Paribas also rated Intel Corporation as underperform with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, KeyBank assigned Intel Corporation a sector weight grade with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Cowen and Company gave Intel Corporation a hold grade with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Evercore ISI rated Intel Corporation as positive with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intel stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy as well. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Today's chart shows predominantly positive signals. The Intel stock is receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. Additionally, a general buy signal is present as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is anticipated at $20.74 and $20.26. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 15.62%. Further gains are likely until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots provided a buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 2 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average provided a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 122 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 130 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $21.48. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.77 between its high and low, representing a change of 13.61%. Over the last week, the stock demonstrated an average daily volatility of 6.93%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest a loss of 3 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $22.04. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a good point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $21.48. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The overall consensus rating for Intel from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 latest insider transactions were conducted by Scott Gowal, who bought and sold a total of 9,888 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.692. In total, insiders have purchased 450,195 shares and sold 428,883 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $20.93, reflecting a decline of 4.15%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are looking positive. Even though the stock is currently on a downward trend, we believe this level might present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of September, we anticipate Intel to open lower by 7 cents and begin trading at $21.77. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.